The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. An awareness of the state of self-luminous wisdom, which is solitary, is a self-apparent vase. It does not exist in the way of subjects and objects. It does not illuminate itself, it illuminates others. But it is neither of these. The unlimited transmission is free and clear from both exaggeration and depreciation. We engage in self-occurring conditions without adulterating them. When we have experience of self-luminous awareness, we will have no delight in or eagerness for definitions. There are no dharmas that are destroyed or not destroyed. An attitude of engagement does not occur to us. An undisturbed river shines by itself, so we must dwell always in untroubled practices. The wheels of hell are intolerable. We must know the state of self-luminous wisdom. In the dominion of the Dharma of uncomplicated awareness, there is a river that is untroubled by intolerably fierce sorrows, or by any pleasurable happiness that may be evident, and is luminous by itself. This is the playfulness of wisdom. It is evident in the state of non-dual self-luminescence. This self-occurring and uncreated wisdom, this self-empowering king of awareness, has no consideration for remedies. It is outstanding. It is capable of letting free the transmissions of knowledge used by others. In this magnificent non-dual wisdom, we do not engage in an awareness that holds to duality, for it is not the supreme bliss of clear light. Conceptualizations do not abide in defined dharmas. They are not directed towards nirvana. They do not dwell in attitudes that propagate samsara. Our unattached intellect remains luminously in a samadhi that has no borders. We are not distracted, and do not dwell on joinings or separations. Our uncontrived heart essence is formed spontaneously. There are bountiful particularities of its ability. It is like a blazing Vajra jewel. It is the one thing that overwhelms everything. It is like the light at the heart of the sun. Samsara is self-luminous wisdom. We do not use virtuous or evil karma in the fashion that gold is colored or shaped to contrive things. Like a bird living in the sky, we are happy along the pathways of samsara's crevasses.